Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel, I share Canva designing tutorial, awesome Instagram tips and tricks, and website development with WordPress. If you are interested in all these topics, then subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will know when I exactly post a new video.
Today we are going to learn how to create silver letters in Canva. Let's get started. Choose any template in Canva. Click on Elements and type Frame. Scroll down, you will find letters. Add one by one and adjust the letter. Click on Photos and find the silver color photos. You will see many options. Just experiment with and make beautiful silver letters of your choice.